The Ovingham level crossing has captured the community across 2 councils. Under the underpath was all of the artworks that were for children, for adults, and it explained a lot of the songline of Kaurna.
You know, it's exciting for us as Kaurna people that we got this beautiful opportunity here to tell our story. You know, for you to venture around here, it's a playground, you know.
In the beginning, you know, of the project, we had a workshop. It was about who we are, what the shield meant to Kaurna people, and it was trying to give some of these non-Aboriginal artists a look in the world of Kaurna.
A beautiful space where we as community can share that time.
If you create a nice space that people are going to go play basketball, bring their kids, you know, we haven't just left a bridge there. It's something that's got a story.
So that's the most brilliant thing, and you know, I take this opportunity once again to welcome you to come walk with us on this journey.